Did you know that airlines lose millions of bags every year? Many bags are never found. Mishandled bags, theft, and damage are all potential risks that can disrupt your trip and lead to unnecessary stress. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to protect your luggage and your belongings. I'll even share some insider tips to keep your bags safe. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Your suitcase is your first line of defense against theft and damage. A hard-shell suitcase made from polycarbonate or aluminum is much tougher than soft-sided bags, so they'll provide better protection from rough handling at airports, protecting your belongings from impact and crushing. However, if you prefer soft-sided luggage, make sure it's made from tear-resistant material and has reinforced zippers. Did you know that thieves can easily open some zippers with just a pen? To prevent this, make sure to choose suitcases with double-coil zippers or zipperless designs. Consider adding a personal touch to your suitcase. Uniquely designed suitcases are easy to spot on the baggage carousel and less likely to be taken by mistake. A standard suitcase looks like hundreds of others, making it easier for someone to grab yours, either by accident or on purpose. If you already own a standard suitcase, consider adding a personal touch to it with a colorful strap or stickers to make it stand out. Additionally, invest in sturdy luggage tags that won't easily fall off. Make sure it has your name and contact information clearly visible. Making your bag stand out is an easy way to protect it from being accidentally or purposefully stolen. But standing out too much can be a problem, too. Expensive-looking luggage can attract unwanted attention. Instead, choose a bag that blends in but still reflects your personality. Now that you've chosen the perfect suitcase, let's talk about adding extra layers of security to protect your belongings. One of the easiest ways to protect your luggage is by properly locking it. But remember, not all luggage locks are created equal. There are regular locks, and there are TSA-approved locks. Occasionally, security officers may need to inspect your bag, and having a TSA-approved lock means that the officer will be able to open the lock without breaking it in most countries. With a TSA-approved lock, your luggage stays locked throughout the journey, while still allowing security to check your luggage if necessary, keeping your luggage locked and secure for the rest of the journey. Another great way to secure your luggage is with a cable lock. These locks can connect multiple zippers together, making it much harder for thieves to access your bag. Alternatively, you can use zip ties to secure your zippers. This is a simple and affordable way to deter opportunistic thieves. Luggage straps with built-in locks are also a great idea. Not only do they provide an extra layer of security, but they also help prevent your bag from bursting open if it's mishandled. To further deter tampering with your luggage, consider using security seals or tamper-evident tape. These will provide evidence if your bag has been opened without your permission. And of course, wrapping your suitcase in plastic film is an excellent way to protect it, not only from tampering, but also from external damage from rough handling at airports. Most airports offer a luggage wrapping service, but you can also do it yourself before leaving home. Alternatively, you can buy a plastic or fabric cover for your suitcase. Remember, most luggage theft is opportunistic. Thieves often look for easy targets, so any deterrent you can add to your luggage will make it less appealing. It's an unfortunate fact. Airlines lose bags all the time. So adding a GPS luggage tracker inside your bag is a great idea. Devices like Apple AirTags or tile trackers can help you locate your luggage in real time if it gets lost. You can use an app on your phone to see the location of your luggage, even if the airline can't find it. If you're an iPhone user, the Apple AirTag is a great option. For Android users, the Tile Pro is a great choice. It works with both iPhones and Android devices, and it has a replaceable battery. For Samsung users, there's the Samsung Smart Tag. It offers similar features to the Tile Pro, but it also has some enhanced features specifically for Samsung devices. And for those international trips, you may want to invest in a dedicated GPS tracker like Luggage. These trackers use GPS technology to provide real-time location updates, regardless of your smartphone's operating system. Unfortunately, they often require a subscription plan, but they offer the most comprehensive tracking capabilities. Another tip is to arrive early at the airport, preferably about 3 hours before international check-in and 2 hours before domestic check-in. Rushing through the airport can lead to several mistakes, like forgetting to lock your suitcase or even misplacing it. Arriving early gives you plenty of time to make sure that everything is in order and your bag is labeled correctly and loaded onto the correct flight. Arriving early also means your bag is less likely to be mishandled compared to late check-in when luggage gets rushed onto the plane. This also applies to layovers. If your trip includes a layover, make sure it is at least an hour long, which gives the airport staff plenty of time to safely move your luggage from one plane to another. Shorter layovers generally result in your luggage being rushed, increasing the chances of it being mishandled or even left behind. Another tip is to take photos of your luggage inside and outside before checking it in. This way, if your bag gets lost, showing the airline staff a picture of your suitcase will make it easier for them to locate it. And if your bag has been tampered with, you will have photo evidence to prove it. When it comes to the baggage claim sticker, make sure you keep it in a safe place up to the moment you collect your luggage, as it is the only proof you have that the suitcase belongs to you. It is advisable to take a photo of your luggage sticker just in case you lose the physical one. Baggage claim areas can be quite hectic and are a prime spot for somebody to pick up your luggage, intentionally or unintentionally. When in the baggage claim area, do not stand right next to the baggage carousel, as it creates crowds and makes it difficult for everyone. Stand a couple of meters away and make sure you have a view of bags arriving. Once you see your bag, walk straight to the carousel and pick it up. Make sure to double-check the luggage tag to make sure the bag is yours, especially if you have a common type of bag. If your bag does not arrive, go straight to the lost baggage counter and report it. If you have a GPS tracker in your suitcase, check its last known location and provide any photos you may have taken of your bag when reporting it lost. All this will help the airline staff locate your luggage faster. And when it comes to packing your bags, never check in anything you can't afford to lose. This includes valuables like jewelry, cash, electronics, and important documents and personal items like medication. Keep these items with you at all times in your carry-on. It's also a good idea to pack a change of clothes and basic toiletries in your carry-on. This way, you'll be prepared if your checked bag is delayed or lost. And that's it. I hope these tips will help you keep your luggage safe while traveling. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.